Hello children! Today I am going to tell you a story from Burhi Xadhu. The name of the story is The Monkey and the Fox. There were once a fox and a monkey. In the hope of living together, they two became friends. One day, they were hiding beside a road in the forest, thinking what they would procure to eat. Just then, a few persons carrying milk, molasses, bananas, sugarcane, etc. came along the way. Seeing that, the fox said to the monkey, "Friend, we should try to eat the things carried by these persons. So let us think out a plan. You go and hide in a bush beside the road at a distance, while I will hide in a bush nearby. As they come near to us, I shall howl and you will chatter and whoop. You will see that they would run away scared by our cries." After making the plan, the monkey and the fox went into hiding. When the persons came near, they heard their fearful sound and taking it to be that of some ferocious beast, ran away leaving the footstep behind them. As the man ran away, the fox and the monkey took the footstep into the forest. The monkey said to the fox, "Friend, if the man returned for the footstep, while we are eating here, they would beat us black and blue and snatch away all the things. So let us do one thing. I shall carry the footstaff and climb on the tree. As you don't know how to climb, you will stay below. I shall eat my share up there and then drop your share of food from above. So please lift the things up. I will carry them to the top." The fox agreed to this and started lifting the things for the monkey to carry to the top of the tree. After storing all the eatables on the branch of the tree, the monkey started relishing them. The fox called from the ground, "Where is my share, friend?" Throwing the peel after partaking of the banana, the monkey said, "Look, friend, catch the banana that is going down." After gulping the milk, he threw the empty vessel down and said, "Friend, here's your share of milk." On seeing the trick played by the monkey, the fox bit the foot of the tree and scratched the ground in anger before leaving the place with a heavy heart. One day, seeing the fox sit near Web's nest, the monkey came closer and asked, "Friend, what are you doing here?" The fox replied, "What to say, O friend? The king has appointed me as the guard of this large drum, so I am sitting here near it." The monkey said, "Please, let me play on the drum." The fox replied, "I can't allow you, my friend. If the king hears, he will behead me. Can't you hear the sound it is making already?" The monkey said, "Please, friend, let me give only a gentle tap. The king would not hear. I have a great desire to play on the drum." The fox said, "Let it be done, friend. How can I refuse you? Give a light tap." Saying this, the cunning fox left the spot in a jiffy. That was because the drum contained a colony of webs. As the monkey beat the drum in elation, all the webs came out and attacked him. In no time, he had a swollen body. The monkey howled and cried out for the fox, "Oh friend, please come to my help." The fox replied from a distance, "I have done a favor to you for throwing at me the peels after eating the bananas." The monkey cried out, "Friend, save me! I am dying." The fox replied, "I have taken revenge for throwing the empty vessel after consuming the milk." The monkey cried out, "Oh friend, please come! I will die." The fox replied, it is a retaliation for throwing at me the chewed sugarcane." Leaving the monkey alone, the fox left the place. After quite a long time, the monkey saw the fox near a cluster of wild arum. By then, the monkey forgot the incident of the webs. Coming near to the fox, he asked, "Friend, what are you doing? What are these?" The fox smiled at the monkey and said, "These are the king's sugarcane. He has appointed me to stand guard here. What to do? The king's order must be obeyed." At sight of the sugarcane, the monkey's mouth began to water. The monkey said, "Friend, will you give me a small one to eat?" The fox replied, "What do you say? How can I give you to eat the king's sugarcane? If the king comes to know, he will not only kill me, but my unborn baby too." Again the monkey said, "No, friend, I have a great desire to eat. Give me one to eat in secret. The king would not know." The fox said, "You may eat it if you want to. Whatever may happen will happen to me for that. But mind you, not more than one." No sooner had he got the permission than greedy monkey fetched a large arum plant and started chewing it. The plant caused severe itching sensation in the mouth of the monkey instantly. He began to shout and called out for the fox, "Friend, save me, I will die." The fox replied, "I am reciprocating the favor you did to me by throwing the pills at me after eating the bananas." The monkey cried, "Friend, I am dying." The fox replied, "I have taken the revenge for throwing at me the chewed sugarcane. I have retaliated for throwing the empty vessel at me after relishing the milk." And the fox left the place. Months after this incident, while roaming about, the monkey saw the fox sitting near a pucca well. The top of the well was covered by cobwebs. The monkey completely forgot about the earlier incidents and asked the fox, "Friend, what are you doing?" The fox replied, "Oh friend, what am I to do? One or the other of the king's orders is always imposed on me. This palanquin belongs to the king. It was brought by his queen in dowry. I am guarding it." The monkey said, "Will it not be a great pleasure to ride on the king's palanquin? Let me see only for once how it feels to sit on it." The fox said, "I can't do that. If the king somehow finds a sign of someone else having sat on his palanquin, he will leave me jobless." The monkey said, "What trace will he find? Let me get on it slowly." The fox said, "If you are adamant then want to sit, then do so before anyone see you." As soon as the monkey jumped onto the king's palanquin, in the hope of sitting on it, the cobweb gave way and he fell into the well and died of drowning.